Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use slice command in AutoCAD 3D. Let's start. First click on this home icon and we are in isometric view. We will create a box. Click on box and give any length and width and height. And to make a solid, click here on conceptual. And this is the box which we will slice or cut. For slice type SL, the slice command will activate, then select the object, or you click on solid and select here a slice. Solid and click on slice, select the object, enter. So I want to cut on half. First point this, second point is this one, and keep both, enter. Now this half portion is cut by the slice command. Same way again, select slice, select the object, select this one and press enter. So we cut another portion. Same way, if you will get a cylinder here, and we will give height, and to make it parallel, click here, click on parallel, and now we have to slice this cylinder. Click on slice, select object. This is the first point and this is the second point, plus enter. Half is cut. Same way, if you want to cut this side, click slice, select object, this point and this point, enter. So in this way we can use a slice command in AutoCAD 3D.